Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Cloudbook channel. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about an advanced version of the project. Still now we use it to do the front-end application, only one-tier application, right? But in this one, we are going to do the two-tier application and where we added the SSL into our application. So you can access your site with the HTTPS. Okay, like it's like a more secured way, not using any IP address, not using any load balancer, URL or anything. So it's like directly say mrcloudbook.com like that, like google.com or anything. So like we are going to use our DNS names in this particular project. And this project was done, I mean like the project already did by the Subham brother, and but he didn't use it the Jenkins pipeline for this one and monitoring also. And I used the email configuration from the Aditya Jaiswal brother because it's like different way. We need to add different kind of things to do the projects. Okay. And already I forgot one thing to record while doing this video, adding the DNS name. But I will make sure that you don't miss any single point. You can do this project without any issues if you watch the video till end of this one. Okay, and let's go. We are going to talk about the project architecture first, what we are going to use and which tools are covered in this particular project. So this is the project we are going to do. See, like the DevSecOps engineer, we will use the Terraform on your local machine. Like, see, we will use the IAM user keys and we will use the AWS configure and add our keys to the configure, and we will use that one to create the EC2 instance using the Terraform files. So once Terraform files is created, we are going to provision the EC2 instance, and in that particular EC2 instance, we use the script. Okay, so the script what it will do, it will install the Ansible. So the script will install the Ansible. So with the help of the Ansible playbook, we are going to install Jenkins and Snyk, Trevi, Docker, Kubedium, Helm, and so many tools. What are the tools what we are using till now, like the Jenkins one, Snyk, Trevi, Docker, and Helm, kubectl, and every tool that we are going to use in this project that installed through the Ansible playbook only. Okay, so the Jenkins will fetch the code from the GitHub and it will do the SonarQube checks using the SonarQube, like the quality gate and any kind of issues like vulnerabilities like that. And after that, Snyk is also called in a security tool that no one teaches till now, but we are going to do that one. So it will do the file scan also, it will show the vulnerabilities, low, high, medium, critical and everything. So and we will see that how to integrate with the Jenkins. And next we will use the trivia file scan also, but we need to show the difference also, what why it's good and why Snyk is not little bit not good, why not using, and little bit comparison, not that means it is not good, but not why people not using it. And after that we use the docker build and docker push commands to store your image, particularly that what you build, and we will scan that particular image with the help of Snyk again. Okay, so everything whatever the stages, see if the stage is failed at SonarQube we will get the mail, if Snyk is failed we will get the mail. So whatever the stage happens, like it's aborted, it's completed, it's succeeded or not, it doesn't matter, it will send the mail to you at the every pipeline. Okay, so with the help of the Jenkins only we are going to use the Terraform files to create an EKS cluster like the Kubernetes where we deploy our application at the end of the video. So once this is done, see Kubernetes check and Snyk checks here done, so it will install the application onto the Kubernetes. So we are going to monitor every stack, see with the red line, like we are going to monitor the Jenkins with the help of the Prometheus, InfluxDB and Grafana. So it will be really a big project because you already saw the output right in the old video. You will see the output at the end. So we will monitor the EKS cluster also, and we will add that particular load balance URL to the GoDaddy domain name, And finally, end users will see the directly with the domain name like mrcloudbook.xyz. So the application will be completely HTTPS, and which is the modern version of our project still now. Okay. So the difference is till now we use it to use the manual intervention to create the EC2 instance, to use the shell scripts and everything. But here only we use the automation. See, Terraform provisioning, EC2 and Ansible. Ansible will take care of all these things. Okay. So then, so this Jenkins will take care of the EKS. Everything will be the automation, but we will do the monitoring with the manual stuff only. So these things only manual. Okay. So let's go to the project. I will close this one. This doesn't need anymore. Let's close this. And this is the project's what it's called, the blog. So I will make it good. So because anyone can use it usually after watching this particular one. So I will update into my blog also to the mrcloudbook.com. So and you can see here this is the AWS account that we need presently because we need the IAM keys for now. So in the search bar, search for IAM. So because what are the prerequisites we need, I will explain. So let's open this one in the new tab. This is the IAM user dashboard and click on users. So since I already have one user here test, but I'm not going to use that one because I need to test it and do it everything from the scratch, and create an user, and you can give the name anything. So I'm just using two tier. So because this application is two tier, so click on next and go to attach policies. Then we need to attach policy that are required, but I'm going to add the administrator access for just learning purpose only. So click on next and create a user. So the user is created here. You can see that two tier. This is the user we created. Just click on this one. So it will go inside that particular user. See the permissions what he have is administrator access, and no groups we added till now, no tags, and we need to go to the security credentials here, and in the access keys, create access keys, select the CLI and select here I understand and click on next and create access keys. So we will use these keys. Okay, so just copy this key and open your terminal or mobile extreme or anything that you use. So I use my terminal here. So here let's use the command called AWS configure, enter. So paste that key that you copied. Okay, so since it's secret, so it's hide as that one, enter. And you can give any reason here, ap south -1, enter. See the configure is done now. So that is good. Clear the screen. And what else we needed? See here project, we need an AWS account. Okay, because we have it, so we created. So AWS CLI is installed on your local. To install AWS CLI on Mac OS, you can use the command called here brew install AWS CLI. So let me copy this command. So I already have it. You can see it AWS hyphen version. So it will show the version. If you use the brew install AWS CLI, so it will reinstall everything or update the particular AWS CLI that you have. Okay, so let's come back here. So if you are using the Windows or anything, I already gave the uh, content here. I mean like the blog. So I am user and key pair. So you can use that one. So create a key pair and I am user. So I am user I already created here. So before only in before 2 minutes, and we need S3 bucket. So and you can go here and you can directly go here S3, or you can search for the S3 here from S3, and you can just click on right click, open link in a new tab. Since I have the bucket, I use that one. But if you want to create an S3 bucket, you can directly use that particular permission. See, so I use this Ajay Mr. Cloudbook 777. But if you want to create a bucket, so click on create bucket and give it a name, random name. So Mr. Cloudbook. So two tier. So if you want, let me do it one from sketch. Okay, ACLs is enabled and block all public access, and you can just click on create bucket. So that's it. nothing you have to do just to create a bucket. Okay, if you want to use this one, so just go inside this particular bucket that we created now. See, we don't have any files and not anything, nothing, like, see, it's from the scratch. Okay, and let's go here. So we created a S3 bucket, IAM user, AWS CLI is installed using this one. So if you go here, you can see that, so it's still installing the AWS CLI. See, so let's go back here. And if you see, we need the Terraform also. So before that it will install, we will talk about the how to install, setup and everything. So here are the steps I detailedly given to you. So you can just follow these steps. So you can easily do the setup on your local. So how to set up the Terraform on your Windows. These all images are for Windows only, because macOS is directly installed by using the command called brew install Terraform. Okay, so if you go here, or you can go to the homebrew. Okay, if you are not new to the macOS or homebrew, you can directly go here and you can just give the command whatever you want to install, just Terraform. So it will automatically generate. Okay, see, so you can call it Terraform is deprecated, but we can use this one. Okay, brew install Terraform command. So since that is done, so I don't need this, just close it. So we don't need more tabs here. So let's see the clear screen. Okay, it's still installing, maybe. Yeah, okay, that is done. Brew install is done. If you see AWS -hyphen version command again, so you can easily see that which version is installed or not. It will show the version. See, the version is this one, 2.17. And you can clear the screen also if you confusing for you. And what is the command we need? We need brew install Terraform is the command. Okay, if you want. So since Terraform is installed already on my Mac, you can see that Terraform -hyphen version here. So it will show the Terraform version. Okay. So it will take some time. See, Terraform is installed 1.8.4. Clear the screen. So what we need Terraform is installed, AWS CLI is installed, everything is there. So okay. So what if you need AWS CLI? This is the command. Create an IAM user. Here are the steps. Okay. So if you know already S3 bucket, that's why I didn't added that particular image. Okay. So you can simply follow this blog and make it done. Okay. AWS configure is done. So we will create an AWS EC2 instance. So first we can clone this particular repository. So this is the one we are using. Okay. So if you see here, Jenkins Terraform, it contains all the files. So if you go to the backend.tf file, so it's using the AJ Mr. Cloudbook 777, but I will change it because since I created a new one, and the key, okay, most of the doing the issue here, facing the issue, that's why you need to use the key paths. Okay, let me do one thing. I will copy this particular command and go here. So clone the repository here. Okay. Sorry, the command is already containing it. Enter. So we have it. If you see ls, so that is the Twitter application cd into that one. So if you ls here, so these are the files. And let me clean the screen. It's make it easy for you. See, these are the files we need: EKS, manifest, EKS Terraform, Jenkins Terraform. Let's go into the Jenkins Terraform, enter, and clear the screen. And if you see here, ls-la, so it's very good to see. So backend file. So let's do edit backend.tf file. And what you want to edit? So you want to edit the bucket name here. So okay, go to insert mode, remove all these things. See, so you have to change your bucket name. Okay, don't forget that. First of all, copy this and paste it here. Since the path is here, okay, so if you using Jenkins here, see, Jenkins -Ajay, so anything you can use. Okay, so I'm using AP South one, that's why that's it. And main.tf file, you can see it here. We don't need, so the file here, main.tf, what it contain, it's creating the IAM role first. Okay, and next you can see that it's using my key pair. Okay, please change your key pair here. Okay, so this is Mumbai AMI, please change it if you are using other region. Okay, So and let me say it again because it's very complicated if you do these steps wrong. Okay, if you go down slowly, so here key name, this is available only for me. Okay, this Mumbai Mac. If you go here, console home, cancel, go to EC2. Why I am saying it means you are not doing the things correctly while setting up these things. Okay, go to the key page. See, this is the Mumbai Mac I have. That's why I am using that particular one. Okay, so here Mumbai Mac. Okay, so let's switch from here, and that is the file we have. So all we need to do is Terraform init command. Okay, first we need to do the initialize. Okay, so it's initializing the backend means it will use our new created S3 bucket to store the Terraform state files. Okay. So if you see here, successfully configured the backend S3, Terraform will automatically use this backend unless the backend configuration changes. Okay. So if you use the Terraform apply, it will use this particular TF state file. Okay. If you do delete, it will use that particular from S3 bucket only. Okay. It won't save in your local file. Okay. Or in the local directory or in the local MacBook. Okay. So it will take some minutes or 15 seconds, so it will take. Okay, no worries. Okay, that is done. And if you see here, and let's go to this one, see, and if you see refresh, nothing is there till now because we just initialized. Okay, so let me clear the screen, it will be more easy for you. Terraform validate, so we will do validate to check our code. Okay, so if you know it's working fine or not, so the code syntax is good or not, everything will be clearly done from here. So before only, if you are using the init command, it will throw the issues, but validate is like simply checking whether our configuration is good or not, our valid is or not. See, next we need to give the command called Terraform plan. So what it's creating and everything, like see, we are going to create the M user and how many it's creating. So it will say like two is creating, two to added, two to be destroyed, and everything will be given from this particular plan. So whatever the plan is stored, it will be stored in the TF state file. Okay, I will show the TF state file once that is done. See, this is needs to be done, file to be added. Okay, so what it's adding some security groups, IAM roles, EC2 instance, and everything. So that's why this is saying. Let me clear the screen. So 1 minute, or maybe if you refresh this, see, still it's not there. Okay, it's taking some time. Okay, let's do the Terraform apply. So hyphen auto approve. See, I'm creating this particular one means it is going to create an EC2 server where on the EC2 server it's going to install this particular script.sh. See what it's containing. It store the data. I mean, like whatever the playbook running, it store inside this particular user data log. Okay, that is good. Updating. Next, it's installing some required software packages for the Ansible. Next, it's installing the, I mean, like adding the repository. Okay. Next, it's installing the Ansible, and next installing the Git. Git is already installed on the Ubuntu, but I'm make sure it again. It needs to be installed, and mkdir Ansible, and it's changing it to the Ansible directory. Okay, I'm creating a new directory first of all in the local, and let's say present working directory, it prints the working directory, and next we are cloning this particular repository, that is Ansible. Okay, this is the Ansible, and file what we are using, DevSecOps. Okay, let's go there. So this is the Ansible playbook I'm using, the repository also. So this is the Ansible. So it's download this particular repository first of all, then it move into the Ansible, and then it will run the DevSecOps YAML playbook. So if you see, it runs on the local host. Okay, so install DevOps tools. Okay, so it's first update the packages, task directly going, update the packages, install the unzip, wget, curl, CA certificates, everything, whatever we required. Okay, we increase the size so it will be more easy to understand. So next it's installing the packages to the latest version, and next we are installing the Jenkins key here. Okay, next we are adding the Jenkins repo, Why I'm not explaining how to write these all? Because I already explained in the old video. Please watch it if you are facing the issues to create the Ansible playbook modules. Okay. So this will install the font config because this is required for the Java. So to install Java. See, Jenkins needs Java, Java needs font config. Okay. So install Jenkins. Jenkins is installing here. So and ensure that Jenkins is up and running. Okay. Next, we are going to install the Terraform because we need to create an EKS, right? With the help of the Terraform, adding the keys, okay, repository from the SE-corp. Terraform belongs to SE-corp, okay. Next, it's install the Terraform, download the Snyk, okay, it's downloading the Snyk, download the Helm here. So everything, every tool is installed from this particular playbook, okay. See the Kubernetes, so we are installing the kubectl, kubeadm, kubelet, everything. So whatever you need, so it will check the versions also before. So kubeadm, if you need, it will install the kubeadm also. So it will display all the Kubernetes versions. And next it downloads the service file for the Kubernetes and kubelet and everything. If you need, it will do all these things. Okay. So enable the services. It's enabling the Kubernetes services. And next we need the Docker also. Docker is installing from the repository. This is the repository. And install the packages like Docker C, Docker containerd and everything. And if you see the here, so add user. So I'm adding the Ubuntu user to Docker group first. Okay. So and next time giving the permissions also to not get the issues later on. We will be starting this. And next we are going to install the AWS CLI because we need to update the Kubernetes configuration from the AWS. Okay. So it will check if it's this will first download. Okay. I mean sorry. This will first check whether AWS CLI is installed or not. If not, then this will install. Okay. Then it will install and move it to temporary AWS install. Okay. So it will clean the zip file, zip format one, and we need the privy. We'll install the privy. So this is the playbook it uses. This is the one it's taking. Okay. Let me reduce the size. Okay. Close this one. We don't need this anymore. And if you come here, see it's still created. Okay, already created. Sorry, not still. So you can see that 5.2 added. That is good. Or you can directly use the command called clear. And if you go to the issue to dashboard, so see there is nothing, but we need to do the refresh. Okay. So this is created from the Terraform and security group and everything. Go to the instance. So it's using T2 large from the Terraform file. So I use this name and let me copy this one. See why we need to see whether it's installing or not. Let me take the one new one. Okay. So it's taking the new cell. Okay. Let's move into this. So let's use the command called slash AWS sh enter. So IP. So I added the IP and S. Okay, I'm connected to this one. So if you see that, let me clear it so it's more clear. So we saved that one log file or log. Oh, before that, let's see whether it's installed Ansible or not. Okay, because we used the script. Ansible is installed or not, we don't know. So okay, Ansible is installed. Good. Okay, clear the screen. Okay, let's see whether our log is showing or not. See, first of all, we need to go inside the log. Okay, so if you go ls here, so we saved the log into user data log, right? So clear the screen and ls-la. So this is the data log. Copy this file and clear it again and use the cat command. Okay. So if you use cat and user data log, so it's installing everything. Okay. See what it's downloading. First, it's you can see that clearly. I will explain from the scratch. Okay. It first runs the shell script. Okay. It runs the shell script. First installed update, adding the repositories and enter. It will take care of all those things. Okay. I can see that Ansible is here. Next, it will install the Ansible and everything will be taken care of automatically. Okay. See, we are in the Ansible folder. So cloning into Ansible. So it's cloning. And next it's downloading the get particular one. So it will automatically take care of all these things. Okay. See, we install the dependencies like update, local, Jenkins key, Jenkins repo, font config, Let me clear the screen and let's come back. Okay, why I'm using this? See, there is nothing file here, but if you cd slash here, there is an Ansible folder, right? Cd Ansible. Why I'm going here? Because we created an Ansible folder. Yep, let's enter. See, this is the DevSecOps playbook, right? We used it, right? That's the thing I want to show you. That's why I want to show that one player. So if you guys need again, you can go to where log again. So you can directly use cat user data log. See, it's done. Completely playbook is done. Okay. See, so first it's checking the playbook. So playbook is, I mean, like AWS CL is not there. That's why it's downloading. Okay. So if you see that review, it's added that review. Okay. Changed means it's installed. Okay. Skipped means there is nothing it's found. So you can see that Kubernetes version is 1.28. So everything is installed. Okay. With the help of the playbook only. So nothing I did, nothing you have to worry about it and anything. Okay. So let's go back to the main folder and let's see the versions. Okay. Clearly from scratch. Okay. Terraform hyphen version. What version I have? Okay. Latest version. Good. So AWS version. Okay. So that's wrong. Yep. Maybe we don't use this one. Okay. AWS version. Okay. Nothing good. All good. Anyway, commands is coming, right? See like Terraform version. Good. AWS version. It should come, right? Yeah. It's coming. So kubectl version again. So kubectl is done. Helm version. Use it. Oh, sorry. Helm should be dot hyphen I think so. Yep. Helm is there 3.1.54 and finally what we have Trevi also hyphen version here. Okay, Trevi is there and the Docker version we will need this. Okay, Docker 27.2 Jenkins version. Okay, what else is there? See, everything is installed from the okay book. Okay, automatically there. Playbook is done, all good. Nothing to worry about it. I have to take care of all those things. So it's taking the automation, everything. So let's copy this, open a new tab and go here, open 8080, enter. See, this is the Jenkins is installed. Copy this one. So use the cat, use sudo first of all. If not, it will throw the error. See, this is the password for the Jenkins. Copy it, paste it here, continue. So install suggested plugins. See, why I am doing from the scratch means this is the use case. Okay, so it will be more useful. See, if you go here, see, Terraform state file is not there. If you refresh, it's there because we applied it. See, so it's storing under the Jenkins slash Ajay. So if you give your name, it will store under this one. Okay. So because last time I forgot to change the names, so that's why what it's happening. The when you create the EKS, it will destroy this particular Jenkins server. Okay. That's why I need to change this path. Okay. That's why I'm explaining again everything from the scratch. Okay. Back here, it takes some time to install all these things. So we did this. See, I already added here S3 bucket, add your name if you are lucky. And see, after closing all these things, okay, init plan apply. So the script it's taking. So everything is added here. So I will remove this because I don't want to make you good enough to copy paste everything. So what you have to do is create your own playbook to install the tools. Okay. So you can see that apply is completed. We'll get this one. We will use this one. We use this command. We copied this one and we install the plugins. Okay, that's good. What we will do, we will use this particular command to install the SonarQube. Okay, Docker run, enter. So you know, right? Docker run means it will pull that particular image and it will run that one. So the name is SonarQube officially runs on 9000. So that's why it's 9000. And this is the image name. Okay, don't forget that. SonarQube LTS community is the created official version, and you can see that Docker PS. So this is just right now it's came up. See, Docker PS. That is good. No need to worry about it. Let's go here. Copy this IP again and paste it here with 9000. Okay, 9000 enter. So it will take SonarQube sometimes. So if you want to create any username, that is good. But I want to continue as the admin. Continue. Save and finish. Start using Jenkins. So I will explain in more detailed way. And if you click on admin here, okay, see on the top, okay, say here there is a red mark, okay, 1. So click on admin beside, go to the configure, okay, here, see in the left side panel there is configure, click on it. And if you go down, you will see the section called password. So double tap here and update the password, okay. Give tab and again confirm the password and do the apply first, okay. If you save, you are gone. Your server is completely gone, okay. So you need to again redo the installations or you need to recreate the password, okay, by forgetting these things, and you need to go into the XML file and update the make it the admin access to false, like that things you need to do. So that is also one of the important concept, okay, for how when you forget the paper and like the Jenkins password, how can you do resolve it, okay. So we have this one and let's see what we need. We have this SonarQube is here up and running, okay. Login is admin, password is also admin, and continue and old password admin and give the password and confirm it. You can create the new one, okay, update. So done. I mean like SonarQube is up and running, Jenkins is up and running. So what else is there? So we used the admin. Okay, this is done. Okay, let's create the Snyk account. Open a link in the new tab .io. You can come to snyk.io, okay, and you can click on sign up or login, but click on sign up for the first time, okay. So it will close this. So it's automatically taking my account, okay. But if you are doing for the first time, you will get this one. So if you click on Google, so you have to select your account, okay, postbox.az.gmail.com, and you will see this particular dashboard. So we need to create an authentication token here, okay. This is old one, I tested it. So if you see this under, there is an your name here, see, Ajay Agiridi. So click on this and you need to go to the account settings, okay. Click on account settings and you have this one, see, authentication token. So revoke and regenerate. I will use the new one. So I just generated. If you click on, so it will create the shows the key, okay. So this is how you have to create the Snyk authentication token, okay. So your dashboard will be looks like this, and you can see under, okay, left side panel or right side, whatever you call. So here you can just click on this account settings and revoke and regenerate. Click on this one, okay. Let's go to the Jenkins dashboard. First of all, go to the manage Jenkins, go to credentials here. So if you click on system, global credentials here, add credentials. So we need to add this Snyk, okay. Snyk is a one authentication token, right? We will use the secret text, okay. What is the secret text? Come to Snyk. Snyk is here. Copy this token authentication one and come back here and paste it and use the ID Snyk, okay. So okay, create. Not now. Snyk is added. Okay, what else we need? In the future, we need the Docker credentials, right? Let's add it before only. Add credentials, username with password. What is your Docker username? Okay, small letters. 7 Ajay is my Docker username. Password, I will give my password. Okay, password is done. Okay, Docker. Okay, we added the Docker also. If you come here, I will add the images. Okay, no need to worry about it. And let's go here. So Twitter application already have the EKS Terraform folder here. It's containing the EKS cluster Terraform files. Okay, that is good. We don't need to worry about it. Okay, let's come back. And you can see that change your S3 bucket again. Okay, let's go here. What is my bucket name? Okay, this is Mr. Cloudbook to copy it. And what I will do, I will go here into the EKS Terraform. So in the backend.tf, automatically I update here. Okay, I edit this file directly. So I will change this one. Okay, so this is my S3 bucket. See, I'm using EKS here. Okay, so you can use the EKS, that is no problem. But if you are using again Jenkins slash Ajay, it's there, right? See, here it's there. Okay, if you use the same name again, it will destroy your Jenkins cluster. I mean Jenkins server. Okay, that's why use the EKS hyphen Ajay or anything. So if you use the EKS, that is also works fine. Okay, commit changes, commit. Uh, this is not good way to directly push into the main, but this is for just learning, right? Okay, that is done. So I already have this one, the script. Okay, let's go to the manage Jenkins folder, dashboard. Click on new item and give it a name. So I can call it as the Terraform EKS or EKS Terraform, anything fine. Click on pipeline and click on OK. And you can call it like this. What is called? This project is parameterized. Add parameter, or you can select the choice parameter here. Okay. So what is the choice? We use action apply destroy. Destroy. Okay. These are the two choices. So if you want any description, you can add. Okay. Mr. Cloudbook. Choose option here. Okay. I'm just giving this normally. Okay. So pipeline script, come here. I already have this one script, copy it. Most of the people know how to write the script. That's why I'm not explaining here. Okay. See, since I am using action here, so that's why I'm using action here. Okay. If I use Ajay, okay. See, if I use Ajay, I will use Ajay here. Okay. So that is the use case. Okay. Ajay. And directory where my file stored in the EKS Terraform. And if you see here, my files is in the EKS-Terraform. So my Terraform files is here. That's why I am first doing the change directory. Directory means it will change to this particular directory, then only it will apply. Okay. So Terraform plan. Okay. See, is first doing the Snyk authentication. Okay. This is good. Snyk auth means it will do the Snyk auth and it will test the infrastructure like Terraform files. It will scan the Terraform files. If you don't know how to generate this, or you can use the pipeline syntax, open new tab. So you can use the with credential section. Okay. So I think I don't have now because we not installed any kind of plugins for now. Oh yeah, we have it. So with credentials, add any credential secret text. Okay, it's variable. Already Snyk. We have only one credentials, right? Snyk. That's why it's directly giving generate pipeline. See, it's generating the same way. Okay, with credential string credential ID like that. So this is how you have to generate, and you have to use the Snyk auth. And so this is the file. I mean, like the ID comes from here. Okay, and if you don't know Snyk commands, what is what, I don't know how is Ajay doing. You can directly go Snyk commands, or you can call it as a Snyk cheat sheet. Okay, see Snyk CLI cheat sheet. Okay, hey, here Snyk CLI cheat sheet. Go inside. So Ajay, here is it. You can use this one. So this is what Google told me. That's why I'm using it. Okay. So but you have to understand. Say if you see the Terraform's files, where is that Terraform? Yeah, here infrastructure as code. Okay, ninth section. See here using Snyk IAC test. Okay, path to our YAML files or TF files. Okay, this is how it's scanning. So this is how you have to learn. Okay. So it will do the val everything. Save. Apply first of all. Save it. Build with parameters. See, Mr. Cloudbook, choose option here. Apply, build. So I don't know whether it's worked fine or not, but I'm just doing this one. Okay, see why it's failed. Okay, let's go inside what it's causing the issue. Okay, no credentials specified. Which credentials you need? Okay, remote origin. Okay, let's see what is the issue. Let's go to Terraform EKS, configure. I don't know what is this issue. Okay, this is the issue because we don't added the URL for this application. Let's go here. So this is the master branch. Remember this URL. Okay, see, since it's not using any URL of the GitHub repository, so it's causing the issue. Paste URL here and change the branch to master here. Okay, that is good. Apply. So that's why it's throwing the issue. Build with parameters, build. So now it will works fine. And if you go here, okay, see, I think it's like pipeline overview is changed. See, it will works fine. If you go back, go to the dashboard first of all, and go to manage Jenkins. It will take some time. Go to plugins and go to available plugins. I think the plugin called pipeline view or what is it? Yeah, pipeline stage view. Okay, so this is the user interface. Install. Okay, it will take some time. Let's refresh again. Yeah, it's installed. Go to the manage Jenkins and you can directly come from here. Okay, Terraform EKS. Click on here. See, it's changed to old overview. Okay, so it will take some time to create your cluster and everything. Before that, what we will do, we will add the email and everything. Okay, it will take minimum 10 minutes to browse and all these things. Okay, I will explain again. So first we will add the email notification. So install the email extension plugin. So go here and go to the dashboard and go to manage Jenkins. Go to plugins first of all. So go to available plugins and you can search for email. Yeah, email extension template. Okay, so this plugin is also up for adoption. Okay, I think we need to find alternative in the future. Install. So it's installing email extension plugin. Let's refresh. Yeah, that is done. Go to the dashboard. Go to manage Jenkins. And here you need to go to the system. Okay, under system configuration, go to system. Since we need to add the email. Okay, before that, what else we need? Let's go here. See, before that, go to your Gmail and click on your profile. Okay, I already opened my Gmail here. This is my Gmail account. So this is my profile here on the top right. Click on here. So here I have the manage your Google account. Click on here. Okay, welcome Ajay Agredi Mr. Cloudbook. That is good. And here you need to go to the security tab. Go security. And in the security, you need to do the password is created on 6th September. So it's showing the recent security activity. Okay. Before that, you need to add this one. Okay. Two-step verification. Everyone needs to be done this one. So how to sign into Google? So you need to add the two-step verification in order to create your key or the password for your mail. Okay. You need to do this one first of all. Okay, I already done on the 2022. So first of all, do this one. Click on here. It will ask for your password. Give your password. It will ask for your phone number. Give your phone number. It will generate you one-time password. Add it there. Done. It will add the two-step verification. Okay. So in the search bar, you can search for app passwords. Okay. See app passwords. So go there. Since I already have, so it's again ask my password. I will give the password. Yeah, my password was changed. I forgot it. And let's remove those since it's created old way long ago. And what is the app name? Tutor. So create. Okay, this is the one we need. Yep, this is the one we need for the future reference. Keep it there. Don't close this tab. Go here. See security alert. We just generated the password, right? That's why it's generating the like simple alert. Okay, no need to worry about it. And go here and you can directly use the search option to just search for email extension. Email, oh sorry, email. Okay, enter, go down. Okay, since it's not email, I think it's mail. Yeah, extended email. Okay, come here. Okay, so what is that? Or first we will use this one. Go down. First of all, add this one. Okay, we will add first the email notification. So what is that? SMTP gmail.com. That is good. I want to go to advanced. Use SMTP. So username. What is the username? Postbox dot aj99@gmail.com. Use your mail. Okay, don't use mine. So remember this one. So which will use SSL. Okay, we will use SSL, right? Let's see here. I forgot. Okay, use TLS maybe. SSL. I think SSL. Yeah, SSL. That's good. I remember something good. All good now. Okay, you can see that password. So this is the one we generated. Copy this and go here. Paste the password. What is the port? We use 465, I think. Yep, right. Yeah, 465. That is good. So my brain is working fast now. Apply for now. Okay, these are applied. Now go to the top. Okay, see here. Uh, Before adding, let's do the smtp.gmail.com. Support again, it's like 465. Advanced credential. See, we not added the credentials, right? What we will do, that is the use case. Open the tab. Okay, go to the dashboard again. Manage Jenkins. Go to credentials. Okay, in the Jenkins only, go to system. So go to global credentials, add credentials, and username with password. So what is my username? Postbox.aj99@gmail.com. So password. Yeah, this is the password. Just right click, copy it, and here paste it, and you can call it as email. Email. Yep, create it. I don't want to save this one. Not now. Come here. Since I want to apply here, see, I'm applying. Okay. So if I click on now, so it's not there. Ready? So why we need to refresh this again? Refresh. Okay. Now it's there. Go to advanced. Okay. Credentials. See, I got my mail now. Okay. Add it here. See, under this one. Okay. Extended email notification. Okay. So again, it's saying use SSL or anything. You can use SSL or TLS. See, here I added the commands. Okay. No need to worry about all these things. Okay. Since it's using SSL, that is done. Let's go. This is done. Then not HTML. I want enable debug mode. Is yeah default triggers. So I want they always right anything. So not only for failure, but I want for everything the mail. That is good. Okay, let's go advanced here. I want to test the configuration. So copy this, complete it. Let's see this. Yep. Test configuration send. If it not goes, it will throw the error. But email was sent successfully means apply and save. So if you go to your email, you will see that test mail is coming from Jenkins. So this is means Jenkins is working fine. Okay. Since so many people is not changing their mail, I am getting the mails. Okay. So you can use this or keep this or you can directly close this. Okay. But I'm going to use that one, keep that one. And we added that. That is good. Okay, once the EKS is done, we will use this. Okay, we will wait for that one to come up since we need that one only mainly. Why I need the EKS mean? First, I will use only one Grafana. I don't want to use the two Grafanas for monitoring the Jenkins and as well as the Kubernetes. That's why we directly wait for Kubernetes to come up. Okay, it's think it's like almost done, right? Yeah, if you go there, see the pipeline is done already. And if you go here, just refresh, it will show a new instance. Boom. See, we have T2 medium and it's in the initializing state. And if you search for EKS, open it in the new tab. So we have the new cloud. See, 9 minutes ago it's created. That is nice. So we are in the Mumbai region. What is this? AP South 1. That is good. What is the cloud name? EKS Cloud. Let's go here. See, AWS update to config. Name. What is the name? EKS Cloud. That's why I'm using that one. Region is AP South 1. That's why this. So you need to use this one. Okay. Change your names, region, and everything. So I already have it. Just copy this. And here, enter. See, it's updated. Okay, let's do cat.kube config. So since I have this, okay, I need to copy this. Okay, whole thing I need to copy it. Okay, we will do slowly. What do you say? Or we can, okay, we will keep this for now. Or we can just close this. We don't need for now. Let's go clear. Okay, so that is done. Let's install the monitoring stuff. So let's add the Helm. Why use the Helm tool means we are going to add the monitoring stuff with the help of the Helm. Okay, let's clear. There is a gap. Let's run again. I think gap will work. No, no, gap. See, stable is added. That is good. So I think I need to remove this. Okay, will do. Once I'll update the command. Okay, that is done. So create a namespace called Prometheus. Okay, that is done. Okay, let's come see the spaces is there. Okay, see here in the starting. That's why don't. I'll update the blog. No need to worry about it. First of all, so I'm installing the Prometheus stack here. So once that is created, the namespace for Prometheus, it uses the namespace Prometheus. So it will take some time. Okay. Meanwhile, we will show this. Okay, what else we see? We will use direct command called kubectl get all. Okay, in the namespace Prometheus. That is good. So it's done. If you see kubectl get all -n Prometheus, enter. See, those are in the those are in the creating stage now. Okay, initializing. That is good. Okay, these are IP address are blocked by default from my terminal. That is good for try. That is one of the good practice. Okay, see everything is ready 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. But here I have the Prometheus is there. See, but it's using cluster IP. But I want the load balancer. Here Grafana is also using cluster IP, but I want the load balancer. So what I will do? Okay, I will update. Okay, see kubectl edit Prometheus. So first time updating the Prometheus one pod to make use the load balancer type. So if you come down here, so in the type C, so let me use the SENU. So it's more useful for you. 48 line. Okay, since you are all noobs, load balancer. Yep. Save and quit. See, it's updated. Okay, let's do kubectl get svc -n Prometheus. Okay, see, it's created the load balancer type now. Okay, since we have that one, I need the Grafana also with the load balancer. Let's edit it. Since Prometheus is like line 48 means so Grafana won't come on 48. It's on 39. Okay. Remember these lines if you are beginner. So change this. Okay, load balancer. Okay, so edit it. So get SVC. Okay, I got the 2 1. See, last time we have only one, but we have the 2 now. Okay, okay, clear it, done. So we have the 2 load balancers created. If you go to here, EC2, and in the EC2 left side panel, if you go and click on load balancers, see it will show the 2 load balancers just now created. Okay, so go to EC2 dashboard, and you can directly see it from here also. Okay, in the tab, if you refresh, see 2 we have. So since we have that one, let's go up arrow first because I need the Grafana one. See, this is the Grafana one. Copy it and open a new tab here. Let's enter. So it will take some time to propagate the Grafana thingy. So it will take minimum 30 seconds at least. Okay. Let's come back here. Now, since we have installed all these things, okay, admin from operator is the password. Just copy it. So see, it's taking longer than they expected. Okay, and next we need to update the monitoring staff. Before that, we need to install Prometheus, InfluxDB, job and staging, all those things. Uh, it's taking longer than they expected. Okay, no worries. So I have to refresh. Yep, if you see now, it's open now, working good. Welcome to Grafana. Thanks. From operator, enter. See, if you go to dashboards, so we have the all the resources needed for the Kubernetes. If you click on any dashboard, see there is nothing data is here. Why? Why no namespace, nothing. See, because we don't have any kind of pods in the default for now. That's why it's no showing no data. If you click on namespace, Prometheus, see we have this. We have the alert manager. So this is how it works here. Okay, we have to test it our own things. Okay, if you come back, if you see the networking cluster, see it's showing all those things. Right? Again, come back. If you come on to the namespace or networking pod, you can see that this is the networking. This is a cube Prometheus. See each one. So you can go there. It will change. Okay. See automatically stack is changing. So that means we already monitoring the Kubernetes. That is good. So this is the one. Okay. Kubernetes monitoring is done. What else we have pending? We have to monitor the Jenkins as well, right? Let's go there. Go to the dashboard. Manage Jenkins. Okay. Plugins. Available plugins again. What I need a Prometheus metrics plugin. Okay. That is done. And InfluxDB. This one job and stage monitoring. So let me take the screenshot, install. So I'll update that one. So you don't worry about it. See, so we don't need to see if it's saying Prometheus plugin does not support dynamic loading. Restart the Jenkins. Okay, I will use this button. So whenever that is done, it will automatically restart the Jenkins. If you don't know how to do the restart, you can just select this and you can just use refresh. Okay, see it's showing. Please wait while Jenkins is getting ready. So he is eating or something. Okay, admin, give the password. Yep, done. So if you go to the dashboard again, go to manage Jenkins. If you go to system, okay, I will search for Prometheus. Since Prometheus is already added, once you install it will already installs. Okay. So that's why you don't need to add anything. Okay, if you see, I think after manager, if you are writing here slash Prometheus, enter. So the logs will be stored here in this particular folder. Yeah, see, these are the Prometheus logs for the Jenkins. Okay, so we have this one, right? That's good. We just install the plugins, but we need other things to be done. Okay, so create a prometheus.yaml file, copy this, and go here, clear it, or you can call it clear. Oh, sorry, clear. So vi prometheus.yaml. So what you have to do is just copy this, paste it here, and if you see SUNE, see on 34th line, okay. So add the IP address of your Jenkins, okay. Insert mode, remove this everything. Yeah, go here, instance running, copy the public IP address of Jenkins, paste it here. So since it's secret, right? I mean like the IP, that's why it's not showing the IP. That's good. Let's go to the blog. So this is added. Okay. Let's add Prometheus only on the Jenkins server. Okay, Docker run. So I'm using the Docker. So it will take care of everything. So no need about installing from manually. So it's like a waste of time again. So why we have the Docker containers. So when you are improving, you need to do this. Okay. So let's take the InfluxDB as well. Enter. So since we have all those tools, let's see whether all the containers are up and running or not. Docker PS. Okay, those are good. Okay, clear. Let's see. Connect to your container. I mean like influx container. I forgot to write influx. Okay, let's use this command. Enter. See, this is the command you have to use influx to come inside the InfluxDB. So we'll use this. We'll create a database. Create a database called Jenkins. So retention policy is Jenkins retention. Enter. That is done. So you can call show database whether it's created or not. See, Jenkins is here. Okay, that's good. So we can use database, use command. Sorry, since we can add use. Okay, friend. Okay, see, it's using the database Jenkins. So let's use exit. Okay, exit. So our thing is added here. Okay, since everything is there. Okay, let's add into the. Let's go to the Jenkins. Okay, search for InfluxDB. Influx. Yeah, here see InfluxDB targets. Add. You can add any name. Okay, Influx. That is done. URL. This is the one. The public IP. Since it's HTTP. Yep, because it's like what is the port? Yeah, the PS 8086. Okay, 8086. Credentials. We don't have anything. Okay, database. Jenkins name. Okay, Jenkins retention policy is the retention policy we used here. Jenkins retention. Just copy this. Paste it here. Okay, it is done. So I want this global listener too. And if you go down, okay, if you see send to InfluxDB, so again add URL again. Copy from here. So it's the Jenkins InfluxDB Jenkins. No credentials, retention policy Jenkins. I can retention right. So don't make any mistakes here. Okay, I will explain again once done. Okay, see, okay, this is done. Some, is there a connection test or not? Yeah, here is there. Yeah, test connection. Yeah, connection is failed. Yeah, you can see that we are getting the connection. We are getting the connection failed since we are using the InfluxDB name. Okay, and URL is correct, Jenkins database is correct, retention policy is correct, but why it's failing? Because, so if you go here, go to security, so we didn't open the 8086, okay, into the security group. Let's go there, actions, edit inbound rules. Since I think this is the issue, maybe add a rule. What is this? 8086, right? 0, save rule. Okay, this is done. So I'm thinking that this is the issue main. So since port is not open, it's showing the issue. Okay, test connection now. See, the connection is successful. So that is the issue. No need to worry about it. Same as it is for the send InfluxDB. Yeah, these are same again. Apply, save. Okay, we got this. And if you go to this here, so we're still not done yet. Go to the dashboards. Let's go here. See, we have the queries here. Okay, let's add the database. So since I have this one, so that is the InfluxDB JSON format dashboard I created for myself. So what I will do is go to the dashboard section, click on new, and I will import. And in this section, I will paste that one. Okay, so load. Okay, you can see that Jenkins overview. That is good. Import. So we are getting so many issues, right? Why? Because we didn't added the connections, data sources. Okay, so let's go. And what is the data source? We use it for Jenkins Prometheus, right? So select the Prometheus, add new data source, Prometheus 1 URL. What is the URL? Copy the IP address of your Jenkins server. Okay. I will add the IP address. Okay. No need to worry about 8086 again. Let's go here and use HTTP. Since it's using 9090, right? Yeah, I think that's the correct. Yep, save and test. This could take minutes. Okay, another issue is here. Go to security. Since 9090 is not open. I think that is the root cause here. So two ports need to be added into the our 9090. It's anyway, since it's there, okay, let's see, it's not there, but if you see, yeah, now that's good. Okay, save and test, that is done. Add another connection, we need influx. So this is this InfluxDB, add new data source. So InfluxUL, that is good. So HTTP // 8086. Okay, that is done. So nothing else you need to change. But here in database you need to give the Jenkins. Nothing else. Okay, save and test. See, that is working good. So if you go to the dashboards now, so this is the Jenkins overview. Jenkins help. Let's go edit. Since select the data source one, and this IP address. Back, go to EC2 instances. Copy the public IP of Jenkins. Come here. This is the main part. Okay. See, if you run queries, up Jenkins is on. So you have to update the data source and update the IP. Okay. Save it. Okay. So this is done. Let's come back to our view. So node configurations. Let's edit. I think this just needs to be updated with Prometheus. That's it. You can just run. Okay, it's done. Click on save. Save. So ignore these issues. Okay, it will come, but output will be here. Okay, see. So overall, you have to edit it. So you have to use the InfluxDB. So edit these files. So let's copy all. So overall, let's go here. I have this. We visit this one, right? These are also there because we just need to change it. This one. So completed. So it will show the completely success one. Let me add another one step. Okay, let's refresh. So since we don't have any data, so add query. I will add another one since it's for complete success. And this is completely error. Yep. Okay, add another query. So for I'm just showing the aborted bills and everything. Okay, that's why to add another query. All and we add another query and delete all. See, this is the use. Okay, see why I'm using these commands means. So you have to know the monitoring stuff also. Okay. This is for unstable, I think. Yep. This is for reported uh, fail, maybe failure success. Right. If you see here, see success is not found. Fields with names. Focus. Yes, you see is there. Alias is there. Failed. Okay, not failure. It's failed. Okay. So the whatever names is there. Okay. Go to the dashboards. Oh, Ajay, I did this, but I didn't see anything. Okay, Ajay, I'm doing this, not seeing any. Okay, let's go to test. We can call it as a Mr. Cloudbook test. Okay, we can use anything. Pipeline. Okay, let's go pipeline script. Okay, try hello world. Done. Apply. Save. Okay, bill. Okay, some bills are done. You will see the success. Save. It's running good. Okay. All good. 7 bills are good. If you come here, if you refresh, see 7 success. It's coming, right? I want some other builds, Ajay. So whether it's working fine or not, I want to see failed builds. Sleep 100. Apply. Save. 1, 2, 3. So I ran 3 pipelines now. If you see, you will get this. I want to cancel this. So cancel. So these are for aborted. Okay. See. I aborted 3 and let's configure again. Let's make it to 10 and I will remove this one. Okay. Apply. So just I want to deliberately making the mistakes. Build, build, build. Okay. 3 files. Let's go and add itself. I don't need. I use it to remove this. I don't need this. And what I will do is I will deliberately make this fail. Okay, I can here the file. So I can just make it to the current build is to unstable. So I just wanted to show you that the script is working good. Okay, the monitoring stuff is working good. Okay, will now on 3 times. Let's go here configure. I will just copy this then. It's not okay. Let's see. Maybe it should be run inside the script. I think maybe. Yeah, here. See, there is no script block, okay, inside. See, here there is script, okay. Apply, save. So there is the 2 kinds, see. So if I build now, what is the 7th build? See, it's unstable. See, build. Okay, 3 times I build. Okay, deliberately I'm making stable. Now let's make it stable then. So is it called stable or still unstable? I don't know. But let's build now. So we will have to see the answer, right? Okay, see, it's failed again. No worries. If you go to here, see, we have only 7. See, we have 7 failed, 7 success. See, all good. Working fine, Ajay. Pipeline crash. Okay, which one is this? InfluxDB again. So why your pipeline ran in last 10 minutes? It will comes from the InfluxDB. Okay, completely. See, okay, pipeline ran in 10 minutes. Let's copy this. Edit it. If you refresh, see, last 10 minutes I ran 21 pipelines. Okay, apply. So active plugins, edit. So let's go for Prometheus one. So just refresh. So active plugins, save. That is good. So edit. I just need to do Prometheus one and inactive, refresh, save. So you have to know which one is using which one. Okay, it will take some time at some cost, but it will take care all this. No worries. So I'm making everything set up good. Okay, one. That's it. Yes. Okay, save it. Okay. So total bills. How many bills I have? Bill is coming from InfluxDB. So control A, delete. Average time now total loss 10 bills. Yeah, total bill is here. Here. Okay, refresh. Save 21 number. That is good. Okay, let's go here. So what is else left? Lost build status. Edit. It comes from InfluxDB again. Control A, delete. Yeah, lost build status. Copy this command. Copy, paste it here. Refresh again. Okay, save. Okay, it changes according to color. Okay, see, if it's success, it will be green. Okay, edit. Lost build status. So InfluxDB. So you have to understand this concept. Okay, so if you don't know, so learn monitoring stuff. We will teach something, but not everything can be like say copy pastable. Okay, see, if you don't understand this, you don't get the issue. Okay, I mean like the output properly. So what is I doing? I don't know. Means it's up to you. See, you have to learn all these things. Just copy paste it doesn't work. Okay. So in my case, I want to say like that. So whatever other YouTubers saying, I don't care. So I respect them. Okay, see, these are the last 10 bills I have, and all I have to do is update one single thing here. Jenkins project here is just updating with the my Jenkins IP address. So then I can see the build from there also. Okay, if I click there, it will come there. Okay, so save. Okay, see, the panel is created completely without any issue. See, this is good, right? All good. Let's take some real things here. Configure, go. Let's comment this. Yep, right. I don't want to see the red color. Okay, see, it's completely red. I want to make it green. Build. So whether it comes fail or not, I don't care. Okay, again some 4 more builds. Okay, done. See, if you refresh, all becomes success. If I click, I can see the output here. See the status console output. This is the one. See, go follow. So this is the integration that we did from the InfluxDB. Got the point, right? See, We are here 34 builds, active plugins, good, almost good. Everything is done. Finally, we have left these plugins to install and run the final pipeline. Let's go there to the here. Go to Manage Jenkins dashboard. Manage Jenkins. I will tell which plugins we need. Go to plugins, available plugins, and let's install Temurin for Java if it's needed. Okay, I just use this Temurin. And what else we need? Docker plugin maybe. Yeah, Docker Compose. Yep, up to this. That is I can use. And what else we need? Mm, yeah, SonarQube plugins. Since we don't added anything. SonarQube kits, Sonar kits, Scanner kits. Is good. What else? Okay, Kubernetes plugins. Kubernetes. Yeah, scheme now. It's taking some time. Kubernetes cycle. Live, DevSecOps. That good. That install. So if you don't know, I added here. So Eclipse Marine, SonarQube, Docker commands, pipeline, Kubernetes, all these stuff. Okay, let's done. Once done, I'll add this. And before that, we will create an SonarQube token. Here is that SonarQube. Here, go to administration, go to security, go to users, click on tokens. So give it a name, Jenkins. Yeah, generate, copy this, and go here, add credentials. So if you don't know, come back to dashboard, go to manage Jenkins. So go to credential section, go to system again, and global credentials, add credentials. Since SonarQube is authentication token, right? We use secret text. Sonar token. Yeah, copy it. Paste it. The ID is that. Okay, that is done. Okay, what else is there? Okay, we have to add the quality gate, right? Go to configurations. See if you click on administration, click on configuration and webhooks. Create one. Give a name Jenkins. That is good. URL. I think HTTP slash. I think it should be here. Hmm, the IP address of the Jenkins. Yep, paste it here like 8080 slash honor cube hyphen webhook. Okay, slash great. Yeah, this is the way you have to add the GitHub, I mean like webhook for the SonarQube. And if you don't know, I will be covered it. See, if you go down a little bit, yeah, see, HTTP slash SonarQube hyphen webhook. So this is the use. We added these things already. Okay, let's set up these things. Okay, first of all, plugins, all those things. Go to dashboard, Jenkins, go to system. So in the system, all you have to do is add the SonarQube servers. Okay, SonarQube servers. Add SonarQube. Give name, proper name like sonar-server. So since everyone knows, that way I don't want to explain the pipeline. So but let me explain simply. Okay. So I don't want to waste the time of yours as well. I 1000. Yeah, that is good. So authentication token, select this owner. That is done. Click on apply and save. So let's go to the manage Jenkins again. Go to tools section and in the JDK installations, add JDK. Okay, just close this. Add JDK. Close this. Name JDK 17 always. 17 I use. Add installer. Adaptive.NET. Select the 17th version, latest one maybe. Yep, that is done. See, JDK 17 install from adaptive.NET and version. That is done. Yeah, here SonarQube scanner installations. Let's give the name as Sonar. Scanner. Okay. Nothing else you need to do. Just give the name, add SonarQube, give name Sonar Scanner, Docker installation. So give the name as a Docker, install automatically, installer, download from docker.com latest. That's it. Apply, save. Okay, done. What else we left? We have left is with this one. Clear. We have to add the code cat dot cube. So Kubernetes configuration we need to add. Okay, for the key in order to run the Jenkins pipeline to apply the configurations onto the Kubernetes. So from API version to the AWS, right click, copy it, and open your Visual Studio Code and save it anywhere. That's up to you. I'm saving it here. So create a file called k8s.txt or whatever you want, no worries. So I'm saving it. I added it here. And if you go here, yeah, this one, go to the manage Jenkins again, and here in the credentials section, so click on system, global credentials, add credentials, and select secrets file. Okay, so browse, go to documents, so k8s.txt, open, open. So add the name as k8s, description is also k8s. So that is the thing. In your local created k8s.txt file or whatever your name you want, you can call it as the Mr. Cloudbook.txt or mcb.txt, anything fine. But you can click on browse and select that one. Okay, and open. Okay, so give names k8s. So where you get the file? So once you do the Kubernetes update, I mean like EKS update, we will use this command, right? AWS update kube config. You will get this particular find path. Okay. So if you do same thing, you will get the same. Okay. That is done. And what else is left? I think all is left, right? All is done, right? Nothing needs to be done. Okay. We added this done. Okay. Pipeline is left. Copy. Okay. Let's go here. Okay. Go to manage dashboard. So since it's two tier, let's I call it as a Flask two tier. That is good. Pipeline. Okay. Nothing I will use. I will just use this. See here I am using postbox.as. So change your mail here. Okay. I think there's something to change. Okay. So just JDK 17. I am not explaining the playbook. Okay. I mean like sorry pipeline. Sonar scanner. You know this. Get branches master, you know, and the URL, you know, analysis, the flask up, and so on token. This is done. Comes from the preview file scan. Snyk authentication. I already told you. Use the cheat sheet from here. So this is the cheat sheet you have to use. Okay. If you uh, we use cheat sheet here, it will say ignore vulnerabilities. Snyk code. Okay. Snyk code test. I mean, like you can use anything, okay? Say scan your project, you can use Snyk test. Or if you see, if you go there, I mean, like container thingy, see Snyk container, okay? So troubleshooting like this, everything comes from here only. Okay, Snyk container test, Snyk container monitor, see scan and monitor Docker images, okay? So you can give the tar file or the image name or anything. See, it's giving here. So those are the things I'm using, okay? So if you go there, so I'm using it, say Snyk test all. Okay. So I'm saving it somewhere else, building the image flash 2 and tagging with that. And image scan is coming from again Snyk. So and ID Snyk, right? I will use Snyk. Okay. Don't use Snyk one. I think you have to use Snyk. Okay. We use the Snyk small letters. So it's small. And finally, Kubernetes files is there in the case manifest. But this is done same. I didn't change anything. So all I have to do is apply and save. And you can just click on build pipeline now. Okay. So if you see this, see by full stage view. So it will take some time to build, but like it should not take more than 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. So because we're not using the OS for anything. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Since the pipeline is runs, I will wait for some time. So the issue I think is with okay. I mean like here, here only. I think somewhere I got the issue maybe. Yeah. See here, I'm using 8088. Okay. So that's why the pipeline is stuck here. Okay. See, 3 minutes. So by my bad, let's go update again. It 8080. See, update. Okay. So if you do now, let's do refresh. Okay, we will do one thing. Let's cancel this. Okay. Okay, we did the cancel. Uh, okay. Declarative post actions. So it's sending mail to me. Okay, that is good. But we will build now. So because my mistake. And if I see here and if I refresh, see I got this one aborted. Okay, that is good. And if I see here, not here, here. So refresh. See, last time was it's aborted and the time is 4.67. In the last 10 minutes, we ran only one pipeline. See, the plugins is also increased to 102.3 to 125. See, total bills is 35 and everything is here, aborted and up, all those things, right? So if you see now, see, it's working good. Okay. So if you go to projects, see, we have the 538 lines. That is good. I think nothing is there. Okay. See, everything is good. See, zero bugs. So no need to worry about it. Okay. The Flask is good now. Mm, and what else is there? I think see Docker build and push, and we can go there inside. Let's go console output. See, it's building the image. Okay. I'll talk about file scan. Okay. See, mm, execution. Yeah. Up. Okay. Load analysis. Hmm. See, preview file scan. Okay. Snyk authentication. See, Snyk is there. Okay. So it's Snyk code test. So I am using this code meta. Okay. See, output is in the vulnerability one.json file. So output will be stored there, and debug mode is enabled, and the test completed and one found. Okay. See, it's like it's found in this one. See, it's checked this particular path. Okay. So see, like path f.34 line 4, there is a medium issue. It's showing that. Okay. Privy. Sorry, so not privy. It's Snyk. Okay. So it's building the image. Mm, so what we will use? Okay. So let's see. So it's still building the image. Okay. No need to worry about it. No. Oh, sorry. It's done. Okay. Sorry. It's there. Logs. If you see logs, see Snyk container test 7 Ajay. So it's scanning the image. See low severity vulnerability found in this particular package. Okay. So it's showing all the vulnerabilities. Okay. If you go down at the end of this project, I mean like end of this particular block, so it will says that see organization is this one, my name, and I scanned this particular image. I found tested 13 dependencies for known issues and found 7 issues. Okay. Issues is fixed by upgrading this. Okay. So use Flask 2.25 to fix. Okay. So here there is a request version 2.32 also. See, this is how it's working. Okay. So two projects, two container vulnerability parts. Okay. It's showing all this good. So Snyk is also good. Okay. So if you go here, see the pipeline is run completely in, I think it's less than, if we can see it here, okay. So because we have this, right, see 2.65 minutes. So this is less time compared to other pipelines still we use, okay. And if you go there, see, if you see kubectl get ports, see MySQL tutor application is running, good, clear. So what I will do is, okay, kubectl get all. Okay, so why I'm using all means, so I'll get the service to tier application load balancer. Just select this. Okay, so this is the type. So copy this load balancer of the service to tier app service. Okay, so copy this external load balancer IP and I will show the difference. Okay, so if you open it here, enter. Okay, this will take some time. See, this is the application. Okay, so this is not even having any kind of submit. So message is stored there. Okay, see, it's not even not secure, and this load balancer is not good, right? So what I will do is, so you have to create an account. Okay, in the GoDaddy. Okay, GoDaddy. So GoDaddy login. So domain names. So I already bought one domain name. Okay, see, this is my 7Ajay name. Okay, so this is my account. I already logged in. Okay, so create an account. If you type here, if you go there first of all, and whatever your name you want. Okay, let's see. I want let's Ajay Kumar. Okay, so I want this domain. Okay, search domains. So it will give you everything. Okay, see, don't buy the big ones. Okay, so it cost more you more amount. Okay, in the future, or like it's waste of money again. So all we did is simple domain name. Okay, see, it's not even using LTD limited. So if you click on this, see plus. So this is how you can buy. See, so if I click on continue, so it says this one, but you can use no because we don't pay for 549 and no thanks. And if you continue, click on okay. All you have to do is no domain protection and click on continue. Just like learning purpose. Okay, I don't want to make it to pay big amount for while learning. Okay, if you want to buy, that's up to you. I don't force you. Okay, so this is the process you have to do. Okay, see, it takes some time. Okay, see, it's saying 5 years. I have to pay 13,000. Okay, I don't want 5 years. I want only for 1 year. Select 1 year here. Okay, so it will Ajay Kumar dot limited. Okay, so it will take care of all these things like what it will take and how much and everything. So if it's not working here, just refresh again. See, because we don't need to use that domain name for 5 years. Okay, so this is just for learning. In the future also, I think you don't use it for daily, right? So that's why what I'm saying is like take for 1 year. That is up to you. So if you want make good kind of .com, .in, .online, so it will cost you more. Okay, so see, you have to pay only 250 rupees. Okay, just for 1 year. Ajay Kumar Limited. Okay, but I have already the account here. But I see 7Ajay. See, so if I go to my hub or like my products, yeah. See here, if I click on 7Ajay, go to my products. So I already have bought the one domain, mrcloudbook.xyz. Okay, see. So all you have to click on manage. Okay, once you bought, you have to click on my products and click on manage. So this is the account I bought. See the domain name mrcloudbook.xyz. So you have to go to the domain. So you can see that like see expires on 1 year only. I bought it is for only 1 year. Okay, just like it's 250 rupees. Okay. So all I have to do is go to manage DNS here on the domain section. Go to manage DNS. So okay, you have to click on domain in the left side panel. See, so you have to click on manage DNS. Okay, so it means you can update the DNS records and everything. Okay, see here I have the Mr. Cloudbook CNAME. Okay, so why I am using CNAME means so we need to add the our application load balancer here. Okay, so let me delete this. So delete record. Oh, 1 minute. Sorry, I forgot. So let's add that record. Okay, so why I have to show book dot xyz. Okay, see why okay choose option. Now let's see name. So by default you will get like this, and if you try to do something like say if you add a new record, so for a record, you have to give the IP address. Okay, so like 76.89 dot like that. Okay, for a record. So you can call it as a at the rate or www. That's up to you. But for the load balancer, you have to give the CNAME. Okay, so you can call it as the www dot. So the load balancer type is this one. Right click, copy it, and paste it here. Okay. See, you come here front. Okay, there is no need to be any HTTPS or anything. Okay, slash forward slash backward slash nothing there. So just provide your application load balancer here. See the URL. And if you save, see it won't save because record name www is already existing. Okay, with this one. That's why I already deleted before, but I want to show you why it's I wanted to delete it. Okay, so delete it. Delete record. See, now it's deleted, right? So if I save now, so it will add. Okay, see, updating the DNS record, so we added it. Okay, if you go, and I think it will take some time, Mr. Cloudbook dot xyz. Okay, here are DNS origin
diagrammatic structure so that it becomes a little bit clear. So as of now we are having load balancer URL. Okay, and in load balancer URL you can see clearly it is saying not secure. There is no certificate, right? That means it is HTTP. So here first thing that I'm going to do is map a custom domain. So how we can do that? So first of all, you need to purchase a domain. Okay, I have purchased it from GoDaddy because from there it's easier to manage actually. Okay, so once we have purchased a domain, you need to make some configurations on the domain side so that my domain will point to load balancer URL. Okay, so team, now let me explain about how we can perform the domain mapping for our URL. Okay, so generally when we deploy an application, then two cases could be there. Either once we deploy, we can get a load balancer URL which looks something like this. Okay, this is kind of URL we may get. Okay, which is obviously not easy to remember. When it comes to domain mapping, yeah, that is one case, we can get a URL. Second case is that we can get an external IP address. Okay, these two things could be there, one URL, one IP address. Okay, so when we want to map a domain and we have received a IP address, then we have to use a record. Okay, if we have received a URL and that we want to configure inside the DNS, then we have to use CNAME record. Remember this because that's where it's going to be most useful. Now, for example, if I go here, like I have opened one of my domains, and in DNS records, we have these options. Okay, so if I want to add my custom domain, I need to click on add record. And since we have received the URL, like custom URL, load balancer URL, right? So we are going to use CNAME right here as www, so that whole URL will be www.soandso.com. Here we can paste the load balancer URL and that's all. That's how we configure. In case we had the IP address, then we can write this. We can provide here IP address. Second record again, we have to add here. This time we will write @ and here IP address. Now you might be asking why I am writing @ and www, because our URL may be in this format. For example, like let's say I have purchased a domain xyz.com. Okay, so when I configure @ in a record, then I can go on I can use this URL in this format xyz.com. When I configure www, then I can use the URL in this format www.xyz.com. Okay, so for that we have to configure. So I hope it's clear, like when we are going to use CNAME record, when we are going to use a record. Okay, now let us see how we can configure in real time. Our application is running over a load balancer URL. Okay, so what we need to do, first of all, we need to add that load balancer URL to a custom domain. We have to map it. For that, I can go to GoDaddy. You can purchase a domain that you can utilize. Okay, what I'm going to do, I have multiple domains, so I'll select one domain and I'm clicking on manage DNS. Okay, here in manage DNS, what we can do, I have told you before that if you have a URL which you want to map to custom domain, then you have to add a CNAME record. If you are having an IP address which you want to map to custom domain, you have to add A record. So in our case, we are having we are going to add a C record. Why? Because CNAME record. Why? Because we are having a load balancer URL. So click on this, select CNAME here, put www and paste the URL here. Okay, and let me check the URL. Everything seems fine. Simply click on save. Okay. Okay, we are having one thing already. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this first. Okay, and I'm going to save this again. Now let's wait for this to complete. Now this has been added. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to wait for some time because the changes for this, it may take some time to propagate. Okay. So team, now what we can do, we can go to a website like DNS checker, provide your URL. Here I have provided www.shackworks.co. Why www? Because that's what we have put in the name section for CNAME, right? Okay. Same thing we can check here by running the command as ns lookup, then www.shackworks.co. And here you can see it is pointing to our load balancer URL. That means it is working fine. Same thing we can verify here. You can see the application is accessible over this, but it is not secure. So now what we have to do, we have to go to Cloudflare, and here we have to add our domain. The domain we have to add www.shackworks.co. Okay, I'll add this. Click on continue. Okay, so we have to remove this, I guess. Okay, click on continue, and let's wait for this. Okay, so now you have to go at the bottom, select the free version because you can use this to get a free certificate. Click on this, continue, and let's wait for this. Okay, now it has fetched different details from our that GoDaddy website, and here click on continue. So basically here you can see what is happening now. We have to update our name servers to activate Cloudflare. Okay, what things we have to do? So we have to add new name servers, which are these two. Okay, where we can get it? So we can go back here, click on this name servers, and as of now these two are added. Okay, so we have to change them, and we have to add, see, these two name servers are already added, so we have to add these new ones. Okay, so I'll click on this, copy that, go back here and click on change name servers, click on this, provide name server 1, which we just copied. Second name server is going to be this one. Okay, copy that as well, paste it here and click on save. Now let's wait for this, continue. Okay, just to verify, if I go back here, still not yet, it's not yet like a change. So I'll refresh the page because these changes may take some time to reflect. Okay, now this is showing fine. Okay, we can go back here, we can click on this, continue. Okay, so team, once we have changed the name servers, one more thing we can do, go to this recommendations, you will see this option, quick start guide. Click on that, click on get started. Okay, and here we just need to save this, whatever settings coming, we have to save them. I'll enable that, click on save, click on finish. Okay, so this is also done. And okay, as I say, this like name server update, this may take few minutes, so we have to wait for some time. So team, after few minutes or at least 10 to 15 minutes wait, and after that on overview page you will see the status active, as well as you will see here create news. Cloudflare is now protecting your site. Now we have to go to SSL/TLS, click on Edge certificates, scroll down, and here you will see this option, always use HTTPS. So make sure that it is enabled. In case you missed it previously, make sure that it is enabled now. Okay, once we have done that, and now we can go back to our website. Where is it? Yeah, this one. I can click on refresh. So after refresh, you'll be able to see here, this is secure now. Okay, and now we are using the URL HTTPS.
Just close the last one. Okay, or is this postbox dot 99 at the.com. password. Okay, verify human login. Okay, seems it's working fine. Okay, see the reason is here, like cname. It's already I added in the testing to the Cloudflare, so that's why I'm getting this particular issue. Okay, see, is this helpful? Yes. So since I added the Cloudflare name server here, see name servers. So it's using the GoDaddy name servers. Okay, so that's why I'm getting this issue. So I will add other video. Okay, Aditya Jaiswal brother video here, so it will understand. You will understand more easily. Okay, this is done. Okay, let's go inside. Overview. I added it here. So in the DNS records, so I have this, right? See, it's changed already. I think it's changed, right? The latest one. If not, I will change it here. So let me confirm it again. So 6976 is the loss. No, it's not there. So I'll copy this since it's not using mine. Okay, so I already did that one. I'll just update it. Okay, we'll just remove this loss. And let's take also in distorting. We will remove where it will throw the issue. So I'll update this. Say here in the CNAME. So it's causing this issue. Okay. So I have to add this. Okay. So copy this in the name servers. Change name servers. So I think it will take some time. Okay. So server one and this one here. So don't worry, I will add other video, so it will be more easy to understand. So I want to show you that this will also works fine. Okay, so continue. So your success, I mean, like request is good. Okay, so let's do refresh. See, now it's working fine. See, it's secure. Okay, connection is secure. Okay, you can see that verified by Google Trust Service. Connection is secure. See. So what I did was I just went to update this one. Okay. So I think once you did, all you have to do is come here and update in the Cloudflare. That's it. Nothing else. So but I will give you the detailed output. Okay. See. So the like see it's now secure. Okay. I added this and I will make it more easy for you by adding the Aditya Jaiswal brother video. Okay. Since he knows the content. Okay. Like I already explained. So I will show my from my side. It's good. Working good. See. And let's see the data. Okay. If you want to see the data, you can use this one. Okay. I think MySQL. Okay. Let's see this. So you can see kubectl get the pods. Okay. Okay, this is the command. Okay, kubectl exec -it. This one like bash, I think. Yeah, bash is deprecated and the password. Okay, control U, and this is the one. Copy this and paste it here. Password is admin, so anyone can use that one. Okay, so use MyDB. Whatever the data we stored there. Okay. So I can directly go here to this one. Select store. See, so hello, it's secure now. Thanks, Ajay. See, so whatever messages is there here. See, let's do one thing. It's done. Project with monitoring. See, you say again up arrow. See, it's done. Project is done. See, submit. Let's see why it's giving empty. See, if you are using empty spaces also, like if you submit, it will taking that one in here. See, that is good. Okay. So my project is I want to show you how to make it SSL, but SSL I will update, add it here. And before that, we have this one. See, this one, all good, right? I think it's more easy for you. 1 minute. Okay, then I'll take then leave. So to delete, all you have to do is go here, class pair, and let's go to configure dashboard. So in the Terraform EKS, build with parameters, I will destroy this. Okay, I'll destroy it. So it will take some time to destroy. Okay, so if you refresh this, EKS is also here. Okay, see EKS Terraform. That is good. So you can remove this. Okay, if you need, you don't need this. So I think this is done, right? See, success is coming. So Cloudflare is here. See dashboards, and if you want to see the Kubernetes networking, so that is also good. So cluster resources, I think see the cluster resources is also good, right? So what else you need? Everything is done. Okay. So I will delete this project. Okay. And thanks for watching the video and keep on supporting to Mr. Cloudbook channel. So once that is done, delete the EKS cluster first and delete the EC2 instances and remove the all load balancers. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Keep on supporting to Mr. Cloudbook channel.